I'm Corey, founder of Auto Advisor. Should you pay for an AI receptionist at your shop? The honest answer depends on how many calls you miss. So let me give you the real buyer's breakdown, the costs, and where it's not the right tool. Is an AI receptionist actually worth it for a shop like yours? Here's the honest answer up front. For most shops that miss more than about 15% of their calls, yes, because a missed call isn't a missed message, it's a missed repair order. But it isn't right for everyone, and it isn't magic. Let me give you the real buyer's breakdown. First, the problem you're actually trying to solve. It's 6:15. The bays are full and the phone rings. A brake job, ready to book. Your writer's elbow deep with a customer at the counter, your techs have greasy hands, and nobody can grab it. So it rings into voicemail. And here's the part that stings. Industry research says about 1 in 4 calls to an independent shop go unanswered during open hours, and it's worse after you close. A missed call is a missed customer, not a missed message. Roughly 85% of voicemail callers never call back, and about 2/3 just dial the next shop on the list. The car still gets fixed, just not by you. Run the math, and it's real money. Miss rate times your close rate times an average repair order around $400. A busy shop quietly bleeds somewhere between $11,000 and $15,000 a month. That's the number an AI receptionist is up against. So let's compare your 4 real options, honestly. What even is an AI receptionist? It's software that answers the phone in a natural voice, has a real conversation, checks your live schedule, and books the appointment, day or night, handing anything it shouldn't handle to a person. Here's how the 4 stack up on the 2 things that matter: what it costs and whether it actually books the job instead of just taking a message. A traditional answering service runs anywhere from $300 to $3,000 a month, and most of them just take a message and hang up. You still have to call the customer back, and by then, they've booked elsewhere. Hiring a dedicated front desk person is the gold standard for the human touch, but it's $2,500 to $4,000 a month all in, and they go home at 6, take lunch, and can't cover the nights and weekends when half your calls come in. Now, what a good AI receptionist actually does on the call. The call comes in, that same 6:15 break job. It answers in a natural voice, talks like one of your people, checks your live bay and tech availability, and offers a real open time, not a callback promise. And it writes the confirmed appointment straight to your calendar before the call ever hits voicemail. On every call, it captures the things your writer actually needs, so nobody's calling back for the basics. Now, the honest part most vendors skip, where an AI receptionist is not the answer. It is not your master tech, and it is not your closer. A deep diagnostic conversation, a price negotiation, an upset customer who needs a real apology, those need a person, and a good system knows it. So, the real test of a good one isn't how human it sounds, it's how cleanly it hands off what it shouldn't handle. So, is it worth it for your shop? Here's the decision. It's an easy yes if you miss more than about 15% of your calls, if good leads come in after you close, or if your writers are too slammed to catch the phone. It's a weaker fit if you're tiny enough that you genuinely answer every call yourself. And the payback is usually fast. If it saves even a handful of jobs a month at a $400 ticket, it's paid for itself many times over, which is why, for most shops, the math just works. If the answer for you is yes, here's how we do it. Our front desk agent answers every call you'd otherwise miss and books the bay. And it isn't a standalone gadget. It's one of a crew of about 15 specialists. So the same system that catches the call also stages the parts and runs your numbers. It runs in one of 3 modes you control: off, ask me first, or fully automatic, and it sits right on top of the phone and shop management software you already run. Nothing ripped out. And the point was never to replace your front desk. It's to make sure a real person is helping the customer in front of them instead of sprinting for a phone they can't reach. So here's the before and the after. Before, you're losing calls you never even see and finding out at month end that something slipped. After, the overnight calls are answered, the bays are booked, and you walk into a full schedule instead of a voicemail box nobody checks. One last thing, why we build it this way. AutoAdvisor was built by Corey Salisbury with engineering experience at Tesla, SpaceX, and Rivian, where an autonomous system has to be safe, has to show its work, and always keeps a human in the loop. Same rules on your service drive. The honest version is this: an AI receptionist is worth it when a missed call is costing you real money, and it's the wrong tool when the job actually needs a person. A good one knows the difference. Want the missed call math run on your own numbers? There's a live demo, no login, at autoadvisorpartners.com/demo, and a service drive audit that shows you exactly what you're. That's life after the system. The busy work handled, and your team free to do the work only people can do. See it on your shop floor at AutoAdvisor Partners.